Hello everyone, I am Professor Apurva Das from Textile Department, IIT Delhi. So, we will now start a new course which is testing of functional and technical textiles. Basically, this course is for both undergraduate and postgraduate students for their elective subject. It is as their elective subject for BE, BTech, ME or MTech degree. This course duration is 8 weeks course, typically around say 20 to 22 hours. So, first, why do you need to test functional textiles or technical textiles? So, we need to test because to check the quality and suitability of particular end use, and next is that to assess the final product quality, whether that quality is acceptable or not. So, we must have clear understanding about the test procedure and the test parameters. So, this course is extremely important for those who will be dealing with functional textiles and technical textiles. Main challenges in testing textile materials are its dimension. Dimension wise, if we see the fiber or yarn, they are very small. So, we cannot sometime test directly. So, we have to use some indirect method. Next challenge is its flexibility. The most of the textile materials are flexible in nature, not like other engineering material. It has complex structure. It's these are most of the textile materials are soft in nature, they are compressible. So, testing is a problematic. The shape of the materials are not uniform. Suppose if we take fiber, so we cannot say each and every point the cross sections are exactly same. So, they are non-uniform in structure. Even if we see the diameter or thickness, they are non-uniform. So, that actually creates problem in testing. So, there are many other problems. So, in this course we will cover two aspects. Aspect 1 is the testing of functional textile, and aspect 2 its testing of technical textiles. Functional textiles are typically clothing used for specific purposes, and in that functional and technical textile, here we will mainly focus on physical and mechanical characteristics of all these textile materials. In functional textiles and technical textiles, we will be dealing with different aspects. So, if you see the functional textiles, so testing and analysis of functional textiles, so it has got component 1 where we will be dealing with low stress mechanical characteristics, and there in objective assessment we will deal here in Kawabata evaluation system for fabrics and fast methods. So, these two methods deal with the low stress mechanical characteristics. In addition to that, we will discuss another method which is nozzle extraction principle. And in segment 2, we will be discussing the transmission characteristics of functional textiles, and here first is the moisture transmission characteristics. Moisture transmission in two form, one is in vapor form, another is in liquid form, and thermal transmission characteristics where we will be dealing with the dry heat transmission, and that will include the thermal transmission in case of extreme condition like flame, fire, extreme heat transmission. We will discuss how to measure all these characteristics. So, testing and analysis of technical textile part, we will cover different types of technical textiles, that is fiber reinforced composites. Next is the testing of geotextiles, testing of filter fabrics, testing of UV protective textiles, testing of compression bandages, and testing of electromagnetic shielding textiles. Here we will cover most of the aspects of measurement of textile material. So, in next 20 or 22 hours we will discuss, we will cover all these aspects. Till then, thank you. We will meet in the next class. Thank you for listening.